Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. I want to show you jumpsuit. Jumpsuits are very comfortable for the summer. I've already showed you a couple of mine jumpsuits, and today I want to show you this one. This jumpsuit is pretty simple. It's made of silk, and there is no lining in it. It's very light, so it's perfect for the summer. As I've already said, this jumpsuit is of a very simple design, so you can easily make it. I want not only just to show you this jumpsuit, but also to tell you about it. We usually think that sewing a jumpsuit means making a satin waistband, perfect sleeves, that we should make fit us perfectly. I bought a very nice jumpsuit for Oля in Paris. I examined it, realized that it was very simple, and decided to make a similar one. These folds are made instead of the darts. There's a wrap over on the front, it's pretty loose. And there's an elastic on the waist. Have a look at the back. This is a very nice jumpsuit. It's not close-fitting, it's pretty loose. The elastic on the waist makes it look very light and comfortable. There is a zip on the center back. It was made for Ola to be able to put it on and off comfortably. The zipper ends here. It's very easy to take this jumpsuit on and off. I presented the jumpsuit from Paris to Ola. She loved it. We loved the design. And so we decided to make one more jumpsuit of the same design, this time of silk. It's very hot here in summer, so such a light, comfortable jumpsuit is perfect for the weather. I remind you that this jumpsuit is not lined. The width of each pant leg at the bottom is 20 centimeters. We could make inseam pockets here, but we decided not to do it. There is an elastic strap on the waist. The width of the wrap over is the same on both sides. The front neckline is pretty deep, so we attached two small snaps here. There are tiny yokes on the shoulders and on the back. The back yoke is covered with lace. This jumpsuit is made of silk of a very good quality. I love this fabric. Have a close look at the back. The fact that the jumpsuit is pretty loose makes it very comfortable. When making it, we took into consideration the fact that Ola will sit and walk in it. The width is perfect. And so is the length. Don't make jumpsuits too long. All the details are very simple. These edges were overcast without stitching. They were overcast and pressed close. The armholes were edged with a bias binding. The bottom was also overcast. There is a concealed zipper on the back. Have a look here. Notice where the zipper ends. It allows Ola putting the jumpsuit off and on very easily. It's very comfortable. It's a struggle for me to put my jumpsuit on and off. This one is better. Jumpsuits are in trend now. Today we showed you this amazing jumpsuit. It's very simple both on the right and on the wrong side. It took our tailors about 3 or 4 hours to make this jumpsuit from scratch. You can make it in a day. The technique is not hard. We make a lot of different jumpsuits in my fashion house. Some of them are very complicated. We decided to show you a simple one, for you to be able to make one for yourself too. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.